Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. Imagine driving a machine that looks like it rolled straight out of a futuristic battlefield and landed on city streets with zero emissions and unbelievable power. This is the 2026 GMC Hummer EV4X4 SUV, and it completely redefines what an electric SUV can be. Built by GMC, this beast isn't just about going electric, it's about dominating every road, trail, and obstacle in total silence while delivering supercar levels of performance in a full-size luxury off-road SUV. The moment you see it, the presence is undeniable with its massive stance, ultra-wide body, bold LED light bar stretching across the front, and that iconic Hummer attitude reborn for the electric era. Underneath the aggressive design sits a revolutionary Ultium battery platform that delivers jaw-dropping power and range, pushing out up to 830 horsepower and around 11,500 pound-feet of wheel torque thanks to its tri-motor setup, meaning this huge SUV launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.5 seconds using the insane watts to freedom mode that literally lowers the suspension and prepares the vehicle like a launch rocket before exploding forward in near silence. That kind of performance in a full off-road SUV feels unreal and changes the way people think about electric vehicles forever. But the Hummer EV SUV is not just about speed, it is engineered to conquer terrain that most vehicles wouldn't even dare approach. With adaptive air suspension that can raise the ride height dramatically, huge all-terrain tires, underbody armor, and advanced torque vectoring, it climbs rocks, crawls through sand, and powers through mud effortlessly. One of the most mind-blowing features is the famous CrabWalk mode, where all four wheels turn in the same direction, allowing the SUV to move diagonally, making tight trails and tricky parking situations look like magic. It feels futuristic, almost like driving a concept vehicle that somehow made it into production. The removable infinity roof panels bring an open-air experience that transforms the cabin into something closer to a luxury off-road convertible, letting you feel completely connected to the environment whether you're crossing desert dunes or cruising along the coast. Step inside and the cabin feels like a high-tech command center mixed with premium luxury. Massive digital displays dominate the dashboard, including a large infotainment screen and a crisp driver information cluster filled with off-road data, performance stats, and customizable layouts. Materials feel rugged yet upscale, combining durable surfaces with premium finishes designed to handle adventure while still feeling luxurious. The infotainment system supports advanced connectivity, over-the-air updates, and a premium sound system that turns the silent electric ride into a rolling concert hall. Rear seat passengers get generous space, and the cargo area is huge, making the Hummer EV SUV practical for family trips, camping adventures, and everyday life. Range anxiety disappears thanks to a large battery capable of delivering around 300 miles on a full charge depending on conditions, and when you do need power, ultra-fast DC charging can add roughly 100 miles of range in about 10 minutes, making road trips far easier than most people expect from an EV. The Hummer EV also supports vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-home charging, meaning it can act as a giant mobile power bank capable of running tools, camping equipment, or even powering parts of your home during an outage. Technology continues with advanced driver assistance features, including hands-free driving capability on compatible highways, multiple cameras providing incredible visibility including underbody views for off-road driving, and smart safety systems that constantly monitor surroundings. Despite its massive size, it feels surprisingly manageable thanks to rear-wheel steering that improves maneuverability in tight spaces and makes city driving far easier than you would imagine. This SUV represents a massive shift in automotive history, proving that electric vehicles can be extreme, emotional, luxurious, and wildly capable all at the same time. The 2026 Hummer EV4X4 SUV is not trying to fit into the electric vehicle world, it is trying to dominate it and redefine expectations in the boldest way possible. It delivers power that rivals supercars, capability that challenges hardcore off-road machines, and technology that feels years ahead of most vehicles on the road today. This is not just a new SUV, it is a statement about the future of performance and adventure. If the goal was to prove that going electric does not mean sacrificing excitement, attitude, or capability, then this machine absolutely crushes that mission and creates an entirely new category of electric super SUV that feels unstoppable in every sense of the word. We'll see you next video.